What's up, guys? Today I have a special one. I'm gonna be going over my buddy's house and help him till his entire backyard space. It is currently infested with weeds such as dandelions and clovers, and I suggested that we renovate the entire thing. Pretty much makes no sense to apply any pre-emergent here in Chicago at this point, or also overseed. Let's start from scratch. If you're in this situation, I suggest you follow along, so stay tuned. Let's go. Can't forget the Tenacity. I think I'm ready. Let's go.
Headed for blue skies and lavender fields. Don't know where I'm landing.
I'm about 2 minutes away from my boy's house. Just want to emphasize the importance of why you should be tilling your lawn in the first place. And as I mentioned, his lawn is infested with weeds, like I'm talking about clovers, dandelions. And right now in the springtime here in Chicago, it makes pretty much no sense to overseed that. Those seeds will not germinate as much as, if you were to do a renovation. And also, if you apply pre-emergent, it's pretty much too late for that. It will prevent some future crabgrass, but I think doing the renovation, tilling everything out, will make the most sense and give his turf, his future lawn, a chance to really survive the summer later on here in Chicago. So hope you guys follow along. If this relates to you, just let me know if you plan on doing this exact renovation. Let me know.
What time are you planning on coming?
Show the camera for visuals. Wanna just stop here, rake everything up, and then I'll do it again one more time, and then boom. I think we should be good with that. I'm just trying to push a lot of dirt this way, so then all the water can go that way. Yeah. You ready? You could just start grabbing the bags and put them like, space them out, like let's do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and have like 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from there. Everything is raked in, and now with the lawn level rake is just to like smooth everything out. Super expensive. Yeah.
I don't think the dishwasher is whatever. That's how they come. Remember how we tried to do it at night?
Well, right now I'm going just up and down. Depending how it looks, I might go like this way, like crosshatch. Yeah. So we have a lot of seed, so I might go over it heavier. So maybe twice.
Yeah.
What do you think we need?
I don't think so. I think it's good. Yeah, to go a little deeper. Yeah, and we're gonna contact like 7 tomorrow. Yeah, so it helps. I'll just spray like really close to the ground. Don't want it like too much in our ear, you know?
Do we have to rake that too or no?
Nah, this stays on top.
Worth it, right?
Yeah, definitely gonna be using. Damn. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using most of it.
I'll be back.
The renovation is complete. We completely tilled up his entire backyard. We applied some topsoil, we overseeded, applied tenacity. All he has to do is now maintain a consistent watering schedule to make sure those seedlings germinate in time, and hopefully they can be a bit established right before the summer, which is about a month and a half away. This video was another elbow grease video. It's all gonna be worth it. He's gonna be able to enjoy those cookouts, the functions in the backyard with the family, the friends over. So he better invite me for that, not gonna lie. But all that being said, I really do appreciate you guys watching, staying till the end. The last video I made about the extreme spring overseed, I really appreciate all the comments, all the likes. Yeah, well, with that being said, appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.